Do we live in the present or in the past? What is the name of deepest part of the earth? What is the name of the smell that comes during rain? How strong are the bones in our body? What is the name of the most powerful bone in the human body? What is the name of weakest bones in our body? How much force is required to fracture a bone? Watch the video till the end to know such interesting and informative information. You must have heard about the Rubik's Cube. The inventor of the Rubik's Cube is Arno Rubik. He was the first to solve it. It took him a month to solve it. Then he published it. Number 2. When light hits our eyes, it takes 13 milliseconds to process it. That means our brain takes 30 milliseconds to process it. It may sound surprising, but it is true that with 80 milliseconds in the past, light travels into the eyes to the retina located on the back of the eye. The retina is covered with millions of light sensitive cells called rods and cones. When these cells detect light, they send signals to the brain. Cone cell help detect color. A lot of happen in just a few seconds. Wow. Number 3. In 1987, the letter E meant the same things as F. It was used as the lowest possible grade, but many people thought E for excellent, so that the letter E is changed and use lowest grade as F. F for fail. Number 4. When an ant dies, its body releases chemical called oleic acid. But if you pour oleic acid on a live ant, its friend will interpret it as dead. That ant moves like a living ant, but other ants think it is dead. Number 5. Challenger Deep is the deepest point on Earth's ocean floor, with a depth of 10,902 meters to 10,929 meters deep. The deepest part of the ocean is the Challenger Deep, which lies beneath the western Pacific Ocean at the southern end of the Mariana Trench, which runs several hundred kilometers southeast of the US terrestrial island of Guam. The Challenger Deep consists of 3 basins, each 6 to 10 km long, 2 km wide and 10. But only 3 people went to the lowest part of the ocean. Their names were Don Wallace and Jack Pickard. They were go duo. James Cameron went solo. Challenger Deep, 16,000 psi. Number 6. A full horror film watched for 90 minutes or more can burn an average of 113 calories, something you might otherwise achieve after a 30-minute walking session. In fact, the scarier and more adrenaline, including the film, the more calories you will burn. I just told the fact. I don't know what the science says. I prefer walking. Number 7. I respect the people on this list. They are really awesome. They donate hundreds of crores own property. James G. Tata, this person has donated the most money. Number 8. According to the National Cancer Institute, part of the National Institute of Health, compared to non-tea drinkers, those who drink on or more cups per day have a 9% to 10% lower risk of death. See what diseases are caused by drinking coffee. Is coffee good or bad? I will make a separate video about this. Number 9. Petrichor is the smell of rain. The word comes from the Greek words. Rainy soils odors develop because plants secrete oils during dry periods, and these oils accumulate on the soil and rocks around the plants. When it rains, the oily compound combine with other compounds to create odors. On such compound is geosmin, a chemical produced by soil dwelling bacteria called actinomycete. When it rains, the spores produced by the actinomycetes are pushed into the air, releasing geosmin and creating that fresh. Many species of actinomycetes occur in soil and harmless to animals and higher plants. Number 10. Healthy humans' bones are remarkably strong. On cubic inches of bones supports 19,000 pounds or 10,900 pounds. That's roughly the weight of 5 standard pickup trucks. Your bones are 4 times stronger than concrete. The femur is the strongest bone in your body. It plays an important role in how you stand, move and maintain your balance. Most adult femur are about 18 inches long. It can support more than 30 times your body weight. It takes about 4,000 Newton of force to break a normal human femur. The femur is the only bone in your thigh. It runs from your hips to your knee. The weakest and softest bone in human body is the clavicle or collarbone, because it is a small bone that is your breastbone. A load was also applied to the medial clavicle as was a force from the cleidomastoid muscle. A compression load was applied along the axis of the testing clavicle, though the upper grips using a universal testing machine. The result showed that the mean load for clavicle fracture was 1526.19 Newton. Friends, I collect many information from Fact Tech channel. I have matched the data with Google. Then I pasted the information into the video. Information may change in the future for various reasons. For now, the information is 100% correct. For example, so far 3 people have visited in Challenger Deep. In the future, more people may go deep, Challenger Deep. One can donate more money in future. I will make this video in Hindi and Bangla language. I gave this link in description. Please check it. Thanks for watching the video till the end.